In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file an amended return on TurboTax. If you need to correct something on a tax return you already filed, TurboTax makes it fairly straightforward to find the amendment section. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can move forward with more confidence. Once you're signed into TurboTax and you're on your tax return homepage, start by locating the search option. This is usually one of the quickest ways to find a specific tool without having to click through multiple menus. Go ahead and click on Search. In the search field, type the word Amend. Keep it simple and enter just that keyword. TurboTax will use your search term to bring up related help topics and actions connected to amending a return. This is helpful because it takes you directly toward the feature you need instead of making you hunt for it manually. After the results appear, look for the option that says Amend Tax Return and click on it. This is the main entry point for starting the amendment process. If you filed your original return already and need to make updates, this is the option that helps guide you to the next stage. Before continuing, it's always a good idea to make sure your originally filed return has been accepted, since amendments are generally done after the original filing is complete. Next, click on the link that says, How do I amend my federal tax return? This section gives you TurboTax's built-in guidance for the federal amendment process. It's designed to explain what to expect and how the platform handles changes to a filed return. This is especially useful if you're not sure whether your situation requires a full amendment or if you simply want to understand the process before making any edits. Once you open that section, you'll see the steps you can follow. Take your time and read through them carefully. TurboTax lays out the amendment instructions in order, so this becomes your roadmap for making the correction properly. As you go through those steps, make sure the information you're updating is accurate and matches any supporting tax documents you have. That can help prevent delays or additional corrections later. And that's it for getting to the amended return instructions inside TurboTax. The key part is knowing how to find the amendment area quickly. Use search, type amend, select amend tax return, open the federal amendment guidance, and then follow the steps shown on screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.